Welcome back, dear students. We are doing factorization by breaking the middle term, and the exercise number is exercise 13D, right? Okay, so let's start with, so let me take down my pen. Alright, so let me start with question number 21. Now in this question, observe this and observe this. Are they same? Yes. So if you have got the same kind of stuff, we will do substitution. Okay, so the substitution we'll make here is, so let 2a plus b is equals to x. Okay, so therefore this becomes, so let me write down the very same thing. So 2a plus b whole square plus 5 into 2a plus b plus 6. So let me substitute the value. 2a plus b is x, isn't it? So I am writing x, but here we have square also, so it becomes x square plus this 5 and this thing is x, right? So 5x plus at last we have 6. Now we have learned how to factorize this in the earlier class, isn't it? So what we'll do is we'll break this 5. So we'll write this as x square plus this 5 has to be broken into 2, so we have x plus 6. Remember, sign here is plus, so that's why I need to write plus here. Okay, search for two numbers whose sum is going to be 5 and the product of those two numbers is going to be 6. Obviously the number will be 2 and 3, because 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 plus 3 is 5. Now open the bracket. So x square plus 2x, 2 into x is 2x, plus 3 into x is 3x, plus we have 6, isn't it? Now, is there anything common in between these two and these two? Yes. Okay, so I see that from the first one we have x is common, so x is common means you get x plus 2 here, right? And among these two we have 3 is common, so when 3 is common you get x, and from here you get plus 2. Now see, again we got the same kind of thing here. We got x plus 2, we got x plus 2. So bring this outside. Okay, so you get x plus 2 here, right? Okay, so when x plus 2 goes outside you get only x here. Okay, and from here if x plus 2 goes, we get x plus 3, isn't it? So this will be my answer. No, I'm sorry, this will not be my answer. Here I need to resubstitute the value of x. Now what is x actually? X is 2a plus b, isn't it? So in place of x I'll write 2a plus b. So this is my x and we have plus 2. Okay, so 2a plus b plus 2 into, we have x is again 2a plus b, and we have plus 3 here. Okay, so this will be my answer for this particular question. So you may pause the video and note down your solution. Let's take similar kind of question. So here you see we have this quantity and we have got this quantity which are same, right? So that's why we'll do the substitution here. So we'll write, let, this time we have 2x plus 3y, so let me take this to be a. Okay, so 2x plus 3y is a. Now therefore whatever is given to us, let me write that. So 1 minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 into 2x plus 3y whole square. So this is going to be equal to 1 minus 2x plus 3y is a, right? So 1 minus a minus, we have 6, this is your a, and we have square also, so this becomes a square, right? So here we don't have any number, but remember there will be always 1 present here. Okay, so that's why we'll write this as, so a is there, minus 6a square. Now what sign is here? We have minus, so that's why we'll write minus. Okay, now search for two numbers whose difference is going to be 1 and whose product is going to be 6. Okay, so obviously the number will be 3 and 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, 3 into 2 is 6. Now open the bracket. 1 minus 3a, minus into minus is plus, 2 into a is 2a, minus we have 6a square. Among these two, is there anything common? No. So that's why you can write 1 as common thing. So you get 1 minus 3a, isn't it? Among these two, is there anything common? Yes. 2a is common, right? So if 2a is gone, you get 1 here minus, from 6, 2 is gone, so only 3 is left. From a square, a is gone, so only a is left. You get 1 minus 3a, 1 minus 3a here also. So that's why you get 1 minus 3a as common. So from here you get 1 plus, from here you get only 2a. Okay. Now one more step we need to do here. So very important step, remember. So here we will resubstitute the value of a. Okay. So we have 1 minus 3a. What is a here? A is this quantity, isn't it? So in place of a I am writing 2x plus 3y. Okay. So we have into this quantity 1 plus 2a, and what is a? A is 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y. Now after that we'll open the bracket. Okay, so we have, this is equal to, so 1 minus 3 into 2 is 6, x minus into plus is minus 3 into 3 is 9y, into we have 1 plus 2 into 2 4x, plus into plus is plus, 2 into 3 is 6y. So this will be my answer for this particular question. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down your solution. Let's take one more problem. So in this case also you have got a similar kind of thing, isn't it? Okay, so let me substitute here. Okay, so the substitution that I'm going to make here is, so let x plus 2y is equals to again a. So therefore whatever is given to us, let's write that. So 2 into x plus 2y whole square minus 5 into x plus 2y plus 2. So let me write it again. So we have 2, this is a, right? So we have in first term to be 2a square minus 5, this is your a, isn't it? So minus 5a plus 2. Okay, now again the thing is same. See, we have to multiply this number and this number. So 2 into 2 is 4, isn't it? So we have to get 4. Now this will be equals to, see here carefully, 2a square, we will separate this 5 into 2. Okay, so we have plus sign, we'll write plus. Now search for two numbers whose sum is going to be 5 and the product is going to be 4. Obviously the numbers will be 4 and 1, isn't it? Okay, so the numbers will be 4 and 1, because 4 into 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Now open the bracket. So you get 2a square minus 4a, minus into plus is minus, 1 into a is a plus 2. Now is there anything common in between these two? Yes. So we see that 2a is common. So 2 is gone. So out of a square, a is gone. So only a is left, minus a is gone. So out of 4, 2 is gone, means we are left with 2. Here nothing is common, sign is minus. So keep 1 as common. Now you get a. Now minus is common, means this plus becomes minus. So you get 2 here. So we have a minus 2, we have a minus 2 here. So take a minus 2 common. So a minus 2 is common. So you get 2a minus 1 here. Now at last again we will resubstitute the value of a. Okay, so you know a is how much? X plus 2y. So in place of a I am writing x plus 2y. We have minus 2 also, remember. So minus 2 is there. So we have 2 into a. A is again x plus 2y, isn't it? We have minus 1 also. Okay, so we'll open the bracket now. So first part I don't have any problem. Second one will multiply with 2. So 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 2 is 4y minus we have 1, isn't it? So this will be my answer for this particular question. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down your solution. So your homeworks, kindly note your homework. So your homework is question number 23 and 24. So with this we close for the day, and the later two exercises are just a revision work. All right, so we'll close this chapter with this particular exercise. Thank you very much.